to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome. If you are new on today's episode of What's in That Box, we're gonna find out together. This is the Walmart beauty box, and we're in September, but it's a quarterly box. I should probably explain that. Editing me is going to put that all down below though for you. So in case you're new here, this is the fall box. It says volume 10, 88272.10. The Walmart beauty box, I believe, since it is quarterly, comes shrink wrapped. It's, goodness, I want to say it's like 6 and change, and then like 7, so 7 1/4. I don't think you could pay yearly because mine comes out quarterly, which is so weird, but I like it. You get a sampling of things, not just full size, or not just sample, deluxe, not just deluxe items. I know they say deluxe, and I'm like, do you mean sample? Do people still say sample sizes, or do you say like deluxe, or like they're not even travel size, because they will specifically say travel size because they want credit for travel size, you know? But here it is, our fall Walmart beauty box, blue, pretty good condition too. And it's got this cute little thing on the back, so there's something in here, possibly. Not everybody gets the same box, you get variations, but ooh, perfect fall beauty haul. Okay, Walmart, that's cute. Hashtag Walmart beauty box. You get this cute little card. Inside the card, I'm trying to do one-handed so you can see the box too. Inside this card, it tells you what you could get, not that what you will and definitely for sure gonna get, because there's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 that's just right here, and there's more that you can get that's not right here. These I think are just the ones that shelled out enough for them to put something right there for you. So, ooh, okay. I feel like I might have just aided my words here, but let's go through this together. The first item on top here, because I got excited when I saw the Milani primer. It says sachet. It is a sachet. This is not a deluxe sample. This is a sample if I ever did. Yeah, you see how it disappeared there? There it is. And there you go. I'm not a magician. No, folks. This is a sachet with the French fry. The full size is $13.97. I'm just gonna go buy the full size one. I've had my eye on this, hoping I would get it in one of my subscription boxes because it looks interesting. I mean, like the color alone. Hello, she looks interesting. I like it. The French fry. That's it. Sample, not for sale. Thank you for clarifying that. And there's no product on either of the ends here. It's just like right here, like a tiny little glob. So maybe I have a big face. And I like to drag it down my neck a bit, depending on what I'm wearing. I like to drag it down my neck a bit because chances are my foundation's going to come down my neck, depending. But ate my words right up, didn't I? No deluxe. Anywho, you can get the full size one, $13.97, which I'm probably going to do. Okay, the next item on top here looks like a full size. This is the Eucerin Gentle Hydrating Face Cleansing Gel plus Hyaluronic Acid. This is $12.97. You're not $12.97. You're $12.97. I also do enjoy that they put these little like stickers on here to help keep the liquids in there. It actually works, which is weird, but it works. The gripper helps prevent liquid leaks. We're not going to comment on that, but it works. So that's pretty cool. I like the way this looks. It's like see-through, but like jelly, but like liquidy. Okay. Yeah, I'm curious. Ooh, removes dirt, oil, and makeup without drying skin. I will be the one to test that because I am an oily skin girly. However, right after I wash my face, if precaution is not taken, I will turn into the driest desert just all up in here for like an hour, to the point where it flakes and turns red and gets irritated and she's not happy. But if you're gonna, and makeup, because I wear sunscreen every day, like, are you gonna take that off? I have questions and I'm gonna be testing this. That's exciting. So if I do an updated, like, this is my nighttime routine video, this will be in there. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I am intrigued. Just like, look at the color and the I like it. I do. Okay. Anywho, moving on. Okay. All right, I got 2 of these. I don't know if I was supposed to get 2 of these. I don't think so, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got gypped on something here. This is the same thing from OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. The full size is $6.97. I have used this brand. Good stuff. I like it. But I got 2 of the same thing. So, and the last item is from It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle H2O Shield 100% proof. This is not the full size. This is the baby size. The full size is 6 ounces. This is the baby size at 2 ounces. The full size is $28. I have yet to find a product from It's a 10 that actually works for me. Weird, I know, but nothing from them works for me. But, cool. Made in the USA. Shampoo, condition as usual, towel dry, and then spray throughout the hair shaft. Blow dry, heat, style, blow drying, iron, heat, activate. Okay, maybe. I'm not holding my breath for this one. That's the tissue paper. That's everything in the box. Well, okay. So, I don't know how to put this in here nicely. I don't want to put this in here nicely. Like, same thing, same, and then, what is this? I was so hyped for this box. Oh, I don't want to look at it. I don't. I'm not happy about this box. Nope. Thank you, fall. The other items you could have gotten, which I thought everybody got. I saw this Adidas Vibes Ed Parfum, like the little sample thingy, in a lot of people's boxes, and like a couple other things too. So it's really like, did they just run out? Did they run out? Oh, one of these is the OGX Nourishing Plus Coconut Milk Hair Shampoo. Is it, nope, it's the same. I was like, oh, maybe I misread one, because there's 2 right here, and they're both shampoo. No, they're both this one. Okay, wow. I'm looking for something nice to say. Any ideas? Any takers? Anybody? I mean, perfect fall beauty haul. It could have been. It could have been. Could have been. Honest to God though, like, just these 2 actual products, this one actual product paid for the box itself. I'm pretty sure if you can purchase this somewhere, because it's a 10, like, their travel stuff is still 75% of the price of the full size product. So I'm pretty sure this paid for the box itself too, because what is the box, like 6, 7 something change? But here I am with my fall box, not impressed. But I just don't have anything nice to say. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. I'm gonna add this to my Walmart beauty box playlist. If you're curious what other, it's not all like this. It's not this bad. There are good ones, just not this one. But yeah, I'll catch you in my next video though. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye.